Designing the perfect floor plan for your dream home is an exciting process, but it's important not to rush into it without considering your family's needs and lifestyle. Let's explore some essential points to keep in mind when crafting the ideal floor plan. When it comes to your dream home, one size doesn't fit all. Let's start by examining some vital considerations to ensure your floor plan truly caters to your family's unique needs. Check if the room sizes on your floor plan are adequate for your furniture layout and daily activities. While you don't want rooms to be too cramped, they shouldn't be excessively large either. When visiting display homes, envision the floor plan without getting distracted by upgrades and focus on the layout functionality for your family's lifestyle. Don't hesitate to discuss potential changes to the floor plan with your builder. However, remember that builders design floor plans with energy efficiency orientations and space usage in mind. Understand the pros and cons any modification you wish to make. Measuring a space from the floor plan in real life can give you a better sense of its proportions and how it will accommodate your furniture and belongings. Before finalising your plans and specifications, go through a checklist to ensure all essential elements meet your needs and preferences. Consider increasing ceiling heights for a more spacious feel and explore different cornice profiles or even square set options for a clean and modern look. Pay attention to window types and placements, ensure proper ventilation and energy efficiency. Additionally, consider increasing insulation for a more comfortable living environment. The kitchen and bathrooms deserve special attention. Customize joinery and layouts to optimize functionality and storage and convenience. Plan your electrical needs early in the process to avoid budget blowouts. Consider power points, lighting, data points, and heating and cooling requirements. Don't forget about the flooring, outdoor landscaping, driveways, garages, and storage. These elements contribute significantly to the overall comfort and functionality of your home. Finally, ensure the floor plan aligns with the location and orientations of your home on the block, taking into account the outlook from your windows. Designing a floor plan that suits your family and lifestyle requires thoughtful consideration. By keeping these essential points in mind, you'll be well on your way to creating the perfect home for you and your loved ones. Until next time, happy building and best of luck on your home journey.